Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is going to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about how to fix Android phone won't do anything. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. My Android phone doesn't do anything. I try to use it normally, and I find that my Android phone won't do anything when I touch it. I was using my Android phone just an hour ago, and I don't understand what happened. Can anyone explain to me why is Android phone not working? And can anyone tell me how to solve the problem of Android phone can't do anything? We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here, when Android phone screen won't do anything occurs. No need to panic. To save you out, we'll explain why and how to fix an Android phone won't let me do anything problem to turn the device back on. Cause 1. The phone is out of battery. The solution is to charge the phone. Android phones may become slow or unresponsive due to a dead battery, so if you are not sure if your Android phone has enough power, plug your phone into a power source for at least 30 minutes. Then try using the phone again to check if the Android phone will do nothing problem is fixed. Cause 2. Software glitch. The solution is to force restart the phone. If there is a software glitch on your Android phone, the Android phone is frozen and won't do anything may appear. To troubleshoot this problem, the best way is to force restart the Android phone. We have listed the steps to force restart phones from common brands. If it does not cover your brand, please comment below and we will show you the detailed steps. To force restart a Samsung Galaxy, Oppo or Vivo phone, press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the buttons. To force restart a Google Pixel smartphone, press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the buttons. To force restart a Huawei, OnePlus or Xiaomi, press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the buttons, wait for your Android phone to restart and hopefully your Android phone will be back to normal. Cause 3. Affected by third-party programs. The solution is to enable safe mode. If you have downloaded third-party applications on your phone, the third-party applications may be incompatible with the Android device, so that the Android phone will not do anything. The safe mode can perfectly troubleshoot whether the problem is caused by third-party applications. Safe mode will start your phone without running any third-party applications. If the can't do anything on Android phone problem does not appear in safe mode, it may be because the third-party application is incompatible or malfunctioning. To try the solution, follow these steps. Turn off your Android phone. Press and hold both the power button and volume up button until you see a menu screen like this. Use the volume button to choose the safe mode and confirm by pressing the power button. Wait for your Android phone to boot in safe mode. If your Android phone display works fine in safe mode, find and remove the app you suspect may be causing the Android phone won't do anything. Once done, press and hold the power button and tap restart to restart the phone back to normal mode. Cause 4. Unknown error or virus. The solution is to restore to factory settings. This method will delete all data on the Android phone. If you don't have a backup, you will not be able to restore the data you need. But if you have a backup, you can always try it. You can retransfer data to the Android phone after restoring to factory settings. We'll show you how to do that. Turn off your Android phone or wait for the battery to run out of power. Connect your phone to a computer with a USB cable. The next step is to enter recovery mode. It helps you access the phone's system settings stably even when you're not working Android phone. This is an official troubleshooting mode so it's safe to try. Now, follow the corresponding steps for your Android phone brands to enter recovery mode. In a Samsung Galaxy phone, press and hold the power button, volume up button, and home button simultaneously until the Samsung logo appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to the wipe data, factory reset option and use the power button to select it. Then, choose yes to trigger the reset process. In a Google Pixel phone, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously until the Android mascot appears. Use the volume buttons to highlight recovery mode and use the power button to select it. When the Android robot with a red exclamation mark appears, press power button plus volume up button. Then, use volume buttons and power button to select wipe data, factory reset option to trigger the reset process. In a Huawei or Honor phone, press and hold the power button and volume up button simultaneously until the Huawei logo appears. Then, use the volume buttons to navigate to the wipe data, factory reset option and use the power button to select it. Next, select yes to trigger the reset process. Finally, wait for the phone to boot up and see the can't get my Android phone to do anything issue is fixed. Cause 5. Hardware-related issues. The solution is to contact the staff. We sincerely hope that your Android phone doesn't do anything problem can be solved, but if the above methods do not work for your Android phone, you should turn your attention to the hardware. It may be that a hardware on the phone causes the Android phone to appear unresponsive, such as a broken screen, loose connection, etc. You need to bring the phone to the official after-sales service center to contact the staff to help them check and fix the phone is entirely unresponsive. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix an Android phone won't let me click on anything or turn it off, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.